Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Nandito ako para tulungan kayong mag-open ng account sa Call Financial. So there are 3 easy steps to open a Call account through online. Okay? So these are the 3 steps. Apply online, wait for the approval, activate your account. So bago kayo mag-online, so i-prepare na natin yung mga minimum requirements na kailangan. First is yung valid government ID with clear photo and signature. Valid within 3 months. Second, Philippine bank account details. Ito yung gagamitin mo kapag ikaw ay mag-withdraw. And then third is your tax identification number required for employed, self-employed, and foreigner. And the last is your SSS number or GSS number or CRN for locally employed. So, nandito naman yung mga kakailanganin mo pa during your online application. Siyempre, dapat yung device mo is may camera. Second, active email address and mobile number. So, narito naman yung mga stages during your application. First stage is your action needed. Siyempre, nalagay mo yung identification details mo. Then, verify email and mobile number. So, ano yung mga kailangan natin? Siyempre, your name, email address, and mobile number. Then, completely fill out the form. Upload all the requirements. Ilalagay natin yung personal information natin, employment details, financial and investment profile, KYC or know your client like ID, selfie, video capture, and disclaimer. Next, pipiliin mo yung desired account type mo. Merong 3 pagpipilian. So, individual, joint, and interest for. Doon sa individual, perfect ito sa mga solo investors. Sa joint naman, pwede ito sa my partners or family members. Dapat 18 years old and above. Sa interest for naman, designed ito for parents investing for their children under 18. So, yung owner ng account is yung parent pa rin. Okay. So, ano yung mga minimum requirements for this account types? Sa individual, meron ka dapat 1 valid government issued ID, Philippine bank account, and your TIN. Sa joint naman, ang pagkakaiba doon sa individual, joint bank account yung gagamitin. Then the rest parehas. Sa interest for, so parehas din sa individual, pero may kasamang child's birth certificate. During your application, lalong-lalo na sa video and photo requirements, mag-selfie ka na hawak yung ID mo. Then, tanggalin yung mga eyeglasses or face mask. Dun sa photo of your 3 signatures samples with your ID, ang gagawin mo lang is itatabi mo yung ID mo, then lalagay ka ng 3 specimen signature. At isasama mo rin yung likod ng ID mo na picturean para ma-compare yung signature mo. Sa video capture naman, tilt mo yung mukha mo from left to right. So, sasabihin ng system kung move mo na yung face mo from left to right. Okay. Once your application has been approved, you will receive a confirmation email with your call reference or account number. So, marireceive mo na yung reference or account number mo. Pero kung may kulang na documents or information, mag-i-email uli si call. Sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung mga kulang para makompleto mo na yung application at ma-approve na. So, once approved, meron kang pagpipilian na dalawang tier sa account mo. Whether Wealth Builder or Premium. Under dun sa Wealth Builder, 25,000 ang initial deposit. While dun sa Premium is 1 million. So, nandito yung mga different benefits ng dalawang tier. So, pero mas maganda yung Premium kung kaya naman. Pero kung hindi, edi mag-stick muna tayo dun sa mababa, sa 25,000. But anyway, itong 25,000 or 1 million man yan, pwede mo nang i-trade or ipiliin ng stocks, mutual funds, or UITF dun sa call account mo. Okay? Pwede mo nang i-trade agad. Then, please remember, gagamitin mo yung 8-digit call account number mo to fund your account via online bills. So, ito yung mga partners natin. Gaya ng GCash, Maya, BDO, BPI, Metrobank, AUB, China Bank, PNB, Union Bank. So, please take note din na yung nilagay mong bank account sa pag-withdraw is pwedeng pagkaiba dun sa pagpa-fund mo. Okay? Kung nilagay mo dun is BDO dun sa withdrawal, pwede kang mag-fund through BPI. Okay? So, nandito naman yung mga fees ng bawat bank sa funding na gagawin mo sa iyong account. Okay? Once your funding is confirmed, you will receive another email with your call account user ID and password. So, nandito yung sample na email na ma-receive mo. So, yung password is temporary. Kaya pag open mo ng link, ay ipaprompt ka ng system na magpalit ng password. So, then mag-relogin ka na. Kung maka-login ka na, then pwede ka nang mag-invest sa gusto mo. Stocks, UITF, or mutual funds. So, madali lang, di ba? Diba? Kaya mag-open na kayo ng call financial account ninyo. So, happy, wise, safe, and disciplined savings and investing. And thank you.